skip these nail care steps ever. If you want to have healthy, beautiful nails, I'm going to share with you some of the best tips out there so you can have the nails of your dreams. It's so important to keep your nails clean for your overall health. Everyone always says, wash your hands, wash your hands. I read this study online that found 32 different types of bacteria and 28 different fungi living underneath the fingernails. Gross. And the longer your fingernails are, the more bacteria that could be living underneath of it. That's disgusting. And if that's not bad enough, if you would Google right now, things dirtier than a toilet seat, a cell phone is gonna come up. And you're probably watching this video on a cell phone right now, or you've touched your cell phone at some point during the day, and if that's the case, go ahead and wash your hands. Clean under them nails. Make sure you're using cuticle oil. This will hydrate and soften your cuticles, and when they're soft, they're easier to push back. And did you know that cuticle oil will help promote nail growth? I believe this is because of the way that it's applied. So whenever you apply cuticle oil, you want to apply it to the bottom of your nail and massage it in. Massage is known to promote circulation, and that circulation can help nail growth. So that is the correlation there. Just please make sure if you're using the cuticle oil that you keep it on for as long as possible and you don't go rush to wash your hands, because if you're washing your hands, you're just taking off all that cuticle oil that you just massaged on, and that seems silly. You also want to apply hand cream or lotion. Massage the cream good into your hands and the skin around your nails. If your skin is moisturized, it's going to look better. Also, it's going to help prevent hangnails. Hangnails are awful. It's something that everyone has dealt with at one point in time or another. It can be so tempting to rip them off, or they can get caught on something and pull down on your skin. And if that's the case, try to use the cuticle nippers to trim them off. Please do not pull them off, because it's going to be red, it's going to hurt, and then the appearance of your nails is not going to look as good compared to if you were just to trim them off nicely. Did you know there's actually a right way to file your nails? Say what? Yes, there is. So you're supposed to file in all one direction each time. The most common method of filing your nails is going from the outside in to the middle, outside to the middle. You don't want to take the file and saw it back and forth, because that can cause your nails to split or break. You also want to be careful about what grit you're using on your nail file. A good place for filing the natural nails is 180. If you do something lower, like 80, it could be too coarse and rip your nail up. But if you do something higher, like 220, that wouldn't necessarily file it. That's something that's more suitable for buffing the nail. So I'm actually not a doctor, in case anyone was wondering or unsure, but vitamins also play into the role of your nail health. I'm not recommending that you take any or all of these vitamins. You should do your own research to see if it's right for you, but I'm going to share with you some vitamins that are good for your nails. Use them at your own risk. Biotin, it helps promote cell growth. It may help strengthen brittle nails. Vitamin B12, it aids in the development of red blood cells. If you were deficient in B12, it could appear on your nails as hyperpigmentation, which is just darkening. It could look as blue or black spots with longitudinal lines. Zinc helps with growing and replicating cells. A zinc deficiency on your nails could look like white spots on your nails. Vitamin C is responsible for collagen production, which helps the nail keep its shape and strength. A vitamin C deficiency could look like your nails being brittle, breaking, and not growing fast. Omega-3 helps give your nail a shiny appearance. Magnesium is a mineral that's great for nail growth. A magnesium deficiency could look like nails with vertical ridges. Pro tip from someone who's not a doctor. Once again, I'll say it, I am not a doctor. Don't rush out to the store and buy all these vitamins, because the most important thing is having a well-balanced diet. If you're taking vitamins or supplements, but you're eating garbage, that's not necessarily going to be great for you. Or if you're eating great, but you're only drinking soda or coffee, that's not going to be good for you either. You want to make sure it's everything all around is good. eating good, drinking good. Water is great for you. Water's good for your skin. Water's good for your nails. Water's my favorite beverage. It helps keep your nails look moisturized and strong instead of dry and brittle and gross. If you're finding these nail tips helpful, please hit the like button so that way I know that there's people out there benefiting from this information. And if nail videos are your thing, subscribe to my channel. And please don't do this if you want to have beautiful nails. You can absolutely not use your nails as tools. Nails are jewels, not tools. I love that saying because it's so true. If you want to have nice long nails, you can't be using them to open things, to peel off labels, to pop your pimples. Whatever it may be, you're adding stress to your nail. So if your nail's long and you're using it to squeeze that pimple out, you're bending your nail, it's adding stress, you're gonna break it. Not good. And keep in mind how active you are with your hands because there's just some things you have to do, like doing the dishes, washing your car. Whenever you're doing things that are getting your hands wet, you can put gloves on so then that way your nails are not having all that moisture go into them, so there's less chance that they are going to break because whenever your nails are wet, there's a better chance that they can bend because they will become more flexible. So if you like having your nails done, I make press-on nails. You can check out my website, TaraNails.com. Link is going to be down below in the description. You're one click away from having beautiful nails that I can custom make for you. But I get it. If you like to do your own nails, because some people do, I like doing my own nails, you may want to check out this video because there are some great tips on there that you want to make sure that you are doing whenever you apply your gel polish.